Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So we do have here TVS Jupiter with me. So let's go what TVS Jupiter is offering to us. So here is the logo of this bike. Here is the lights. Here is the indicator lights. It's of bulbs, as you can see. Good V shape guys here. It's the mud guard. Good finishing, as you can see. White tone design. It is the foot pedals. It is a kickstart, manual kickstart. Let me show you the side stand. Here is the side stand. Here is the double stand. Jupiter badging here. So here is the back side of this bike guys. So this is the back indicators, back lights, indicators, the Jupiter logo over here. So here is the grab grill, good grab grill. So here we do have a seat, good seat. I like this pattern too. I think you can see. So good seat, long in length and broader too. Yes guys, it's broader. So here is the storage, a small storage. Here is the storage, leg space. So it is a charging port, I think so. It's a charging port. So it's to carry. It's the key space. So let me show you the console guys. Console of this bike, of scooter. So let me start. So guys, this is the console of this bike. So what this offering? It's a low beam, high beam, passing torch 2. It's a turning indicators. It's the horn. It's the brake. It's the brake lock guys. So as you can see, it's a brake lock. It locks like this. So this is what we are getting. Let me show you the silencer sound guys. Let me on the engine. So I think as you can see, sound is good, bassy. It's the lights, it's passing torch, high beam, low beam. It's the turning indicators. Good feel. Let me off this engine. So let me show you the hood too. Let me open it. So guys, space is good. It's awesome guys. So it can fit a helmet too, a big size helmet, as you can see. So it's the new version guys. So it's a system. If any trouble causes, you can check here. It can found the trouble of this bike. So good offering TVS is giving to us. Good finishing. It's the lock of the seat. So let's lock it. Silent locking too guys. No sound. Feels so good. So guys, let me show you the heart of this bike. As you can see, this is the engine. This TVS Jupiter engine has the 109.7 cc, produces max power of 7.3 bhp at 7000 rpm and max torque of 8.4 Newton meter of torque and 5000 rpm and has air cooled system too. So coming to the front brake, so front brake has 130 mm and front brake type is drum, and front suspension has telescopic hydraulic, and the tire size of this Jupiter is 12 inches. And rear brake will show you. The rear brake system, I think you can hardly see. So guys, so rear brake size is 130 mm and rear brake type is also drum. Rear suspension of this Jupiter, it has 3-step adjustable type coil spring with hydraulic dumper guys. Rear tire size is 90/90 by 12 and TVS offers all tubeless tires. It's good to see it's all tubeless guys. It's all tubeless, and also have the alloy wheels. They are offering alloys, so that's what we are getting. So TVS ground clearance of this Jupiter 150 mm, and curb weight of this Jupiter is 109 kgs. Overall height of this Jupiter is 1286 mm, and length of this Jupiter is 1834 mm, and overall width, as you can see, we'll show you. Overall width is 678 mm. The seat will show you. The seat height is 765 mm. The wheelbase, as you can see, it's the 1275 mm. The Jupiter looks very nice guys. Jupiter is offering great, good feeling, simple, classy look, good for all ages of riding, all ages of riders. Superb finishing, as you can see. Pattern over here, pattern over here. Superb finishing. TVS badging here too on the engine. So this TVS Jupiter offers lots of colors guys, as you can, I can't say actually, it's more than 15 colors. So for an example, I will say about 5 to 6 colors. It's the straight blue, starlight matte blue, royal wine, starlight, so blue royal wine, walnut brown, volcano red, titanium grey, pristone white, mystic gold. Oh my god, it's a lot of colors guys actually. But it's good that everyone can choose their own color, good color which suits them as their taste, as per their taste. This Jupiter costs at 87,000 guys on road in the Telangana. So I am recording this video in Telangana showroom, the Hyderabad. But I think cost should be gone low, because with the all RTO it's costing that 87,000 approx to 90,000. But it feels good, it's a good bike. So this TVS Jupiter company claims it can give you 62 kilometers per liter mileage. So it's good guys. So I think it's a good mileage for a scooter. I'm impressed with this mileage. Good, decent. So let me show you the tank too. So it opens here. So as you can see, it's a 5-liter tank guys. So Unstoppables, it was the walk around and full overview of this TVS Jupiter BS6 version. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So we'll meet you in next video. So it's time to quit, it's time to leave. Bye guys, take care.